Do you want to learn German but you feel confused, overwhelmed, or you simply don't know where to start? Maybe you tried before, opened a grammar book, and gave up. In this video, I will show you exactly how to start learning German step by step, even if you are a complete beginner. This video is for you if you are a beginner in German around A0 to A2, if you live in Germany or you plan to move there, or if you studied German before but it felt too hard and you stopped. If that sounds like you, so keep watching. Step 1. Don't start with grammar. The biggest mistake German beginners make is starting with grammar. Articles, cases, rules, all of that. German grammar is important, but not at the beginning. Think about how you learned your first language. You didn't start with rules, you start with sounds, simple words, and short sentences. So instead of memorizing der, die, das, learn things like Guten Morgen, wie geht's, or Ich heiße. This helps your brain get used to the first language. Step 2. Learn German sounds and pronunciation. The next step is pronunciation. German pronunciation is actually very logical, but it's different from English. If your pronunciation is clear, Germans will understand you, even if you make grammar mistakes. So don't ignore pronunciation, it makes everything easier later. Step 3. Learn sentences, not single words. Now, this is very important. Don't learn words alone, learn full sentences. Instead of just learning the word essen, learn a sentence like Ich esse Brot. Sentences give you context. They help you remember better and they help you speak faster without translating in your head. Language is not about list of words, it's about using sentences in real life. And step 4. Speak from day one. Many learners say, I'm not ready to speak yet, but the truth is, you don't become ready before speaking, you become ready by speaking. You can speak alone at home, you can repeat sentences out loud, you can practice simple conversations, or you can talk to a teacher. Mistakes are normal, everyone makes them, but I think silence is the real mistake. And step 5. Be consistent. Consistency is more important than motivation. 20 minutes every day is much better than 3 hours once a week. You don't need long study sessions, you need regular contact with the language. I know that German is not an easy language, but it's a learnable language. Millions of people learned German before you, so you can learn it too. You don't need to be perfect, you just need to keep going. If this video helped you, give it a like and subscribe for practical German for real life, and write in the comments why do you want to learn German. Thanks for the watching and I will see you in the next videos.